everyone, just wanted to share with you a video on how I go about the process of after airbrushing and detailing in the miniature. So after airbrushing, I get the paints that I've used in the airbrush and I start highlighting the raised areas. I do this by watering down the paints and just applying it in the raised areas very carefully, bit by bit, on the face and on the shoulders. And the key here is just to think thin and mix your paints with water. For example, when I'm highlighting here the face and the chest area, I will use a leathery green from a game color from Vallejo, and I would start picking up the raised areas and start painting them in, and then I would mix white with that green so it's a bit more lighter, and I start painting in the edges or the bit more of the raised areas where the light would strike, and I would just get the paint around the edges. So I would carry on building up these layers by continually mixing white with the base color until I'm happy with the highlight I would like, quite to the extreme highlight. I don't go all the way white. I go as white as I can with the base color, and maybe at the slight tip I might put a little bit of white, but normally it's just lightening up each stage. And here's an example of my wet palette, of how I go about doing that process. As you can see, I get the base color first, squeeze a bit out, and I just take that to the next one. If you want to subscribe and like this video if you find it helpful, and in the description box you can download my free ebook. Until next time, happy painting everyone.